It starts with a feeling you can't quite place. That nagging sense that the more you earn, the farther you fall behind. You see it in the hurried faces on rain-slicked city streets, a shared, unspoken anxiety. This is the paradox of modern success, the quiet creep of lifestyle inflation. It's the invisible cage we build around ourselves, bar by gilded bar, convinced we're buying freedom when we're actually purchasing our own confinement. The city hums with ambition, but beneath it lies a deeper tremor. The fear that the ladder we're climbing only leads to a higher stakes game we can't afford to lose. Then comes the breakthrough, a promotion, a raise, a moment of pure, unadulterated triumph. The world suddenly feels brighter, wider, full of possibility. The simple suit you wore to the interview is quickly replaced by an expensive, tailored one that feels like a second skin. The modest car gives way to a luxury sedan with a purring engine and that new leather smell. Dinners are no longer about sustenance. They're about reservations at places where the lighting is low and the wine list is heavy. Each upgrade is a celebration, a tangible reward for your hard work. You tell yourself you've earned it, and for a while, the sheer velocity of your ascent is intoxicating. But the high doesn't last. The novelty fades, and the excitement curdles into a low-grade hum of pressure. Those luxurious upgrades, once thrilling treats, have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of your daily life, becoming necessities. The beautiful apartment with its panoramic view starts to feel like a gilded cage as the mortgage payments loom. Bills pile up, each one a stark reminder of the lifestyle you must now maintain. You find yourself working longer hours, not to get ahead, but simply to stay afloat. In the periphery, a shadow begins to form. It appears in the gleam of your high-end watch, in the dark reflection of your office window late at night, a constant, silent reminder of the debt and anxiety that grows with every essential expense. This is where the psychological game begins. It's a phenomenon known as hedonic adaptation, our tendency to quickly return to a relatively stable level of happiness despite major positive or negative life events. The thrill of the new car wears off, but the payment remains. We're also caught in the relentless undertow of social comparison, measuring our own success against the curated highlight reels of others. The escape, however, isn't another promotion, it's a conscious awakening. It begins with the simple, deliberate act of tracking your expenses, of understanding where the money truly goes. It's found in the quiet power of saying no to an impulsive dinner out and choosing instead to invest that money, planting a seed for a future you control. This is the moment you step off the treadmill. True wealth was never about the price tag on your suit or the zip code of your apartment. It's the quiet confidence that comes from financial security. It's freedom, the freedom to choose your work, to spend your time on what matters, to live a life not dictated by the need to service your possessions. It's waking up not to the stress of bills, but to the quiet contentment of a life built on your own terms. As the sun rises over the city, it illuminates a new path forward, one where you are in control, building a future that is not just lived, but deliberately designed.